Hi my PlainJains and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some simple curvy lines with our Beatles white striper McCart top coat, our gel base, and a Brit I-13 using our ballerina nails. If you hear baby girl in the background, she's hanging out with mommy today. I really try to post some videos, guys, but the vid caught us slipping, and I mean COVID, it knocked us on our behinds, so it told us to sit down somewhere, and that's exactly what we did. But now we are back, and hopefully I'll get a story about our COVID experience out to you guys this Saturday so that we have some different content on this channel. And I really do want to share that experience because COVID affects everybody differently. So this is just our story. But other than that, we're gonna get back to the nails, and I'll talk to you guys when we get to the curvy lines. So I'm going to be taking my white striper and creating a smile line. So I'm going to just create a smile line, go over it a couple of times to make that smile line a little thick, and then go straight down. Well, not really straight down, but kind of curve and make a curvy line in the middle or towards the side, and then create other abstract lines along that same line, and that's it. Fairly simple. You like those lines? She likes the lines, guys. So I made a tip matte, and then I made another tip glossy, so that I just wanted to see the difference. And I will say that I really do like the matte. I like both. I like the glossy and the matte. They both came out wonderful, and I'm feeling both of them. Like, I can't decide. I would do both. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, if you like the matte or the glossy or both. I will be having both these options on my Etsy shop. But thank you guys so much for watching. Say thank you for watching. Yay. Yes. And I'll see you guys next time. Say bye-bye.